Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic might have you clicking based on the title, but hold on tight because we're taking a unique approach. We're ditching the idea of psychological tricks and instead exploring how Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, can actually build a foundation for genuine attraction and fulfilling relationships. Intrigued? Let's dive in. The flaw with tricks. We've all seen them, the cheesy lines, the forced mirroring, the inauthentic attempts to manipulate someone's feelings. Sure, these tricks might work in the short term, but they rarely lead to lasting connections. Why? Because they focus on external manipulation, not genuine connection. The Stoic approach. Stoicism is a philosophy that emphasizes self-control, emotional resilience, and living virtuously. It might seem far removed from dating, but hear me out. Stoicism teaches us to focus on the things we can control, our thoughts, actions, and reactions. This empowers us to be our best selves, and that's incredibly attractive. Stoic principles for attraction. Embrace rejection. Let's face it, rejection is a part of life, and dating is no exception. Stoicism teaches us to accept what we cannot control and focus on how we respond. Fear of rejection can make us act out of character. By accepting the possibility beforehand, we can approach interactions with confidence and grace. Focus on your virtues. Stoicism emphasizes developing virtues like courage, justice, wisdom, and temperance. When you cultivate these qualities, you become a more well-rounded, attractive person. People are drawn to those who are honest, kind, and self-aware. Be present. Genuine connection requires presence. Stoicism helps us detach from anxieties about the future or regrets from the past. This allows us to be fully present in the moment, truly listen to the other person, and create a meaningful connection. Authenticity is key. By focusing on self-improvement and genuine connection, you naturally become more attractive. People can spot a fake a mile away. When you're comfortable in your own skin, radiate confidence, and engage in meaningful conversation, that's what truly draws people in. Stoicism doesn't guarantee likes. Let's be honest, Stoicism isn't a magic bullet. There's no guarantee that everyone you meet will be drawn to you. However, it equips you to navigate the world of dating with confidence, resilience, and authenticity. Remember, the goal isn't to trick someone into liking you, but to attract someone who appreciates the real you, flaws and all. Bonus: Stoicism for healthy relationships. The principles of Stoicism are valuable not just for attracting someone, but also for building healthy relationships. Effective communication, emotional control, and focusing on what truly matters can strengthen any bond. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Stoicism, there are fantastic resources available online and in libraries. Remember, this is a journey of self-discovery, not a race to get likes. Let your inner light shine through, and the right connections will follow. Remember, Stoicism isn't about becoming emotionless robots. It's about cultivating emotional intelligence and building genuine connections. By focusing on self-improvement, embracing authenticity, and developing healthy communication skills, you'll attract the right kind of love and build relationships that stand the test of time. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on building genuine connections and healthy relationships.